Hey, Ghost Nation, Ghost here. Today I'm doing a review on. Da 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 da. Sorry, not enough light. Still not enough light. Boom. It's Captain America's motorcycle. This was actually a very interesting build and everything, and I will actually take an up close look at the character in a minute. I actually like the design of this. This was actually fun to build. Very interesting on how some of these are connected, because the shield is actually connected by a bar, and this turret, the Flickfire missile, is also connected by a bar, which is actually very interesting. And the nice thing about this Flickfire missile is you can move it side to side. So I like that. That's cool. The other thing that I like about it is it's red and black instead of red and blue. Red and blue I just think would have been a little bit too much. Red and black go well with each other. Flickfire missile, I'm not actually going to hit that off. I could just push it out. There. Because I don't want to lose that. Because I'm actually keeping this design because I actually like it. The shield has a nice print on it. And now let's take a better look at Captain America. Okay, so for this I'm going to stop right here on this video. And then turn it towards the other side so then you guys can actually see him. But here we go. Okay, so Mr. Captain America. I like the design of the torso. It actually has a really nice print. The head with the mask is cool. I like the print of the A. Camera, focus. 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 Come on. Focus. Well, my camera does not want to focus. Come on. Yeah, my camera's not focusing, but I will try to get this done the best that I can. Hold on. Focus. Fine. The printing on the back is cool, especially the silver that's there. It's chrome silver, which is awesome. The bright red on the sides and the brown is really cool. I don't know if you guys can see that because this thing is being an asshole, but oh well. Sorry for swearing on this, I usually don't. Brown hair, a dark blue body tone. This overall is good. The only thing that I don't like about this set is whenever you actually have Captain America holding on to the front of this, he sits up higher than he should, which I don't like. But I will definitely be getting more sets like this, more sets of the Marvel and DC comic stuff. So, subscribe, share, favorite, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye.